If your home was built in the 1960s or 1970s, there's a chance it has aluminum wiring hidden between the walls. The problem is aluminum wiring has been linked to overheating, loose connections, and even house fires. In this video, we'll explain the warning signs, repair options, and what homeowners should know in 2026. During the 1960s and the early 1970s, copper prices increased dramatically to reduce construction costs. Many builders started using aluminum wiring instead of copper for branch circuits inside the home. It seemed like a good alternative, but over the years, electricians discovered a major issue. Aluminum expands and contracts more than copper, and that movement can slowly loosen electrical connections over time. Loose connections create resistance. Resistance creates heat, and heat can eventually damage outlets. Switches, breakers, and wiring connections. That's why aluminum wiring requires special attention today, especially in your older homes. Here are some of the common warning signs homeowners notice when aluminum wiring connections start failing. These problems don't always mean the entire house is unsafe, but absolutely should not be ignored. The wire itself is not usually the main problem. The biggest issue is often the connection points where aluminum meets outlet, switches, breakers, or copper wiring. That's where the overheating usually happens. There is a few safe checks homeowners can do without touching live wiring. First, check the age of the home. If it is built between 1965 and 1975, aluminum wiring is definitely possible. Second, you can carefully look at visible wire markings near the electrical panel if they are accessible. Aluminum branch wiring is often labeled as AL, ALUM, or aluminum. But here's what you should not do. Do not remove the outlets yourself to inspect the wiring. Do not tighten the electrical connections on your own. And do not mix aluminum and copper wiring with standard wire connectors. Improper connections are one of the biggest fire risks. If aluminum wiring is found in your home, that does not automatically mean your house needs to be rewired immediately. In many homes, electricians use approved repair methods that make the system much safer. One common repair is called pigtailing. That means the electrician connects a short piece of copper wire to the aluminum wire using the approved connectors designed specially for aluminum wiring. These outlets or switches connect to the copper wire instead. Another highly recommended method is COPALUM crimping. This uses a special compression connector approved by the Customer Product Safety Commission. Many electricians consider it one of the safest permanent repair methods in aluminum wiring. Some electricians also use AlumiConn connectors, which are approved mechanical connectors designed specially for aluminum to copper connections. The best repair depends on the condition of the rewiring, the electrical load in the home, and the size of the electric system. In some solutions, especially during major remodels, homeowners choose full rewiring with copper in 2026. Aluminum rewiring costs can vary a lot depending on the size of the home, the repair method. For professional pigtailing repairs, many homeowners spend anywhere from about $2,000 to $8,000. COPALUM repairs can cost more because they require specialized equipment and certified installers. Full home rewiring project can range from $15,000 to $30,000, depending on the home layout, wall access, panel upgrades, and labor costs. But good news is that not every home requires complete rewiring. A licensed electrician can inspect the system and explain the safest, most cost-effective option for your specific home. You should call a licensed electrician if your home was built during the aluminum wiring years and you're seeing flickering lights, warm outlets, breaker problems. You should also schedule an inspection before buying or selling your older home. If you think your home may have aluminum wiring, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Professional inspection can help you understand the condition of the system and what repairs may be needed to keep your house safe. If you have questions or about aluminum wiring, electrical upgrades, or safety inspections, contact Fuse today and schedule an evaluation with a licensed electrician.